On February 16, 2026, during the most-watched television broadcast on Earth, China's Spring Festival Gala, a new kind of performer took center stage. Not a pop star. Not a traditional martial artist. But a fleet of humanoid robots executing martial arts sequences with a fluidity that defied expectation, consecutive single-leg backflips, parkour vaults, drunken fist choreography, and seamless sparring with human masters from the famed Shaolin School. This wasn't CGI. No motion capture. No post-production trickery. What billions witnessed was the tangible result of a national strategy executed with precision, China's rapid ascent in robotics and embodied AI. And tonight, we explore what this performance truly signifies, not just as entertainment, but as a declaration of technological capability with profound implications for healthcare, manufacturing, national security, and the very balance of global power. The performance featured robots from Unitree Robotics, a Hangzhou-based company that shipped 5,500 humanoid units in 2025 alone, making it the world's top seller in a category where Chinese firms accounted for nearly 90% of global shipments. But what made this demonstration extraordinary wasn't just the spectacle. It was the engineering behind it. According to Unitree founder Wang Xingxing, the robots executed maneuvers requiring hundreds of millions of simulation training iterations before physical deployment. The 3 consecutive single-leg backflips, achieved using a custom launch platform, demanded unprecedented precision in dynamic balance control, mid-air orientation, and landing stability. This wasn't pre-recorded choreography. It was real-time execution of complex physics-aware algorithms. Consider the progression. Just 1 year earlier, Unitree's robots concluded their gala segment with cautious movements requiring human assistance to exit the stage. In 2026, they performed autonomous, high-agility sequences amid hundreds of human performers, variable lighting, and live audio synchronization. This leap reflects a fundamental shift, from remotely operated puppets to autonomous systems powered by robust stability algorithms and edge AI. Equally significant was the swarm coordination, over 20 robots executing rapid formation changes while performing martial arts routines, a capability Unitree described as a global first with direct applications for multi-robot logistics, search and rescue, and coordinated industrial operations. The Spring Festival Gala performance didn't emerge in isolation. It is the visible tip of a deeply integrated industrial ecosystem. China's advantage rests on 4 pillars: policy support, public investment, supply chain maturity, and parallel advances in AI hardware and software. The humanoid robotics sector was designated a priority for technological breakthroughs in China's 14th Five-Year Plan 2021, unlocking state funding for R&D, testing infrastructure, and commercial deployment. Critically, China has replicated its electric vehicle playbook, leveraging existing manufacturing infrastructure to drive down costs and accelerate iteration. As tech analyst Lian Jisu of Omdia notes, Chinese humanoid robotics vendors are using more and more local components, which helps with cost efficiency, supply chain security, and driving local innovation. The result? Companies like UDTech and Unitree target production costs below $20,000 per unit, effectively EVifying robotics by achieving scale before Western competitors finalize their designs. This cluster effect means the entire bill of materials for a humanoid robot, from high-torque servo motors to LiDAR sensors, can be sourced within a few hours' drive in China's industrial heartlands. That logistical advantage translates directly into faster prototyping cycles, lower capital requirements, and the ability to iterate based on real-world feedback at a pace difficult to match elsewhere. So where does this leave the United States? The contrast reveals 2 distinct development philosophies. American robotics leadership, epitomized by Tesla's Optimus, Boston Dynamics, and Figure AI, has prioritized general-purpose intelligence, creating robots that understand unscripted environments and adapt to novel tasks. This approach demands breakthroughs in foundation models, simulation to reality transfer, and autonomous decision-making. Yet in terms of deployment scale, the gap is stark. In 2025, Unitree shipped 5,500 humanoid robots. Shanghai-based Agibot delivered 5,168. By comparison, Tesla, Figure AI, and Agility Robotics each shipped approximately 150 units. Even Tesla's stated 2025 production target of 5,000 Optimus units went unmet, while Chinese competitors exceeded that threshold individually. Elon Musk himself acknowledged the challenge. China is very good at AI, very good at manufacturing, and will definitely be the toughest competition for Tesla to the best of our knowledge. We don't see any significant competitors outside of China. This isn't merely a race of units shipped. It's a question of which model proves more sustainable. China's infrastructure-driven, cost-optimized scaling versus America's software-centric pursuit of artificial general intelligence in physical form. As analyst Su cautions, Western humanoid companies can compete by focusing on superior AI, software, and autonomy rather than sheer hardware volume. The next 5 years will test both hypotheses. But let's return to the core question: why does this matter to ordinary people? Unitree CEO Wang Xingxing stated it plainly. Ultimately, technology is meant to serve people, not just exist for the sake of the technology itself. The gala performance wasn't an end, it was a proof of concept for capabilities with immediate societal applications. China faces one of the world's most rapid demographic shifts. By 2035, over 400 million citizens will be aged 60 or older. Robotics offers a scalable solution for aged care and home assistance. Units capable of stable locomotion, object manipulation, and basic social interaction, demonstrated in gala sketches where Notix's Bumi robot participated in family comedy routines, can support independent living, medication management, and emergency response. In manufacturing, the implications are equally transformative. UBTech has already initiated industrial trials with partners like Airbus and BYD, deploying Walker S-series robots for quality inspection and material handling. When robots can navigate complex factory floors, adapt to variable workflows, and collaborate safely with human workers, productivity gains compound across supply chains. Critically, China's cost optimization strategy targets affordability. By driving unit prices toward $20,000, and potentially lower with scale, robotics transitions from luxury prototype to accessible tool. This aligns with explicit policy goals, leveraging technology to improve quality of life for ordinary citizens, not just elite institutions. Yet the applications extend beyond civilian life. The same capabilities enabling a robot to perform martial arts on stage, dynamic balance, autonomous navigation, swarm coordination, real-time sensor fusion, have direct relevance to national security. China's integrated approach to robotics, drones, and satellite positioning creates layered systems for homeland protection. Quadruped robots like Unitree's Go series can traverse rough terrain inaccessible to wheeled platforms. Humanoid units can operate in human-designed environments. Drone swarms provide aerial awareness, and Beidou satellite navigation ensures precision coordination. These are not speculative concepts, they are active development priorities with dual-use potential. This convergence is reshaping strategic calculations. As robotics capabilities proliferate, the nature of deterrence, conflict escalation, and force projection evolves. A nation that can mass-produce affordable, capable robotic systems gains asymmetric advantages in both defense and economic statecraft. Importantly, this isn't about inevitability or zero-sum competition. It's about understanding how technological trajectories influence global stability and ensuring that advancement serves human flourishing, not merely strategic advantage. Conclusion: the human-robot future, written in code and culture. The 2026 Spring Festival Gala performance was more than a technical showcase. It was a cultural moment, ancient martial arts reimagined through artificial intelligence, tradition and innovation in dialogue, a vision of coexistence where machines amplify human potential rather than replace it. As Unitree's Wang Xingxing reflected, if robots can execute martial arts routines amid complex formation shifts and rapid movement, it means they will be even more stable in future applications, giving people greater confidence. The path from stage to society is being paved, not through hype, but through iterative engineering, policy alignment, and a clear-eyed focus on real-world impact. China's robotics rise is not a finished story. Challenges remain: advancing embodied AI brains, ensuring ethical deployment, managing workforce transitions. But the trajectory is undeniable. And as the world watches, one truth becomes clear: the robots performing kung fu on a Beijing stage aren't just entertaining us. They're rehearsing for the future, and that future is arriving faster than many anticipated. Thanks for watching. If you found this analysis valuable, please like, subscribe, and share. For deeper dives into technology and global affairs, hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.